I'm sure you've heard the news. Remote start failures are all too common on the Chevy Colorado. Let's get yours working again, step by step. First, check the basics. Is your key fob battery dead? Swap it with a fresh battery, just to be sure. Next, make sure all doors, the hood and the tailgate are fully closed. The remote start system won't work if anything's ajar. Now check your dashboard. If you see warning lights like the check engine or a security light, remote start will be disabled until those issues are fixed. Another simple fix? Ensure your car's in park and not in gear. And if your Colorado has a manual transmission, remote start won't work at all. Still not working? Try resetting the system. Lock and unlock your doors with the key fob, then attempt remote start again. Sometimes a quick reset does the trick. If all else fails, check your owner's manual for any special requirements or visit your Chevy dealer to scan for faults. Remember, most remote start issues are easy to fix at home. Save time and money. Try these steps first before heading to the shop.